You hit send, you hear the click, and then your stomach drops. You realize that email went to the wrong person. It happens thousands of times a day. We manage overflowing inboxes, juggle a dozen tasks, and rely on autocomplete to fill in email addresses. That high-volume routine makes automatic errors nearly inevitable. The stakes change entirely when that message contains sensitive information, like internal financial records, spreadsheets full of personal employee data, or confidential client reports. Look at this diagram showing how an exposed document behaves. A single misdirected file doesn't sit quietly, it branches out, multiplying the potential points of data exposure across external servers and devices. Once that file leaves your outbox, a ticking clock starts. The ultimate severity of the exposure is heavily dictated by the actions you take in the first 60 seconds. The primary threat to an organization is rarely the initial typo. The real danger is the failure to recognize the error and lock down that exposed data immediately. In that first minute, the psychological reaction is intense. Panic sets in, followed closely by a natural defensive urge to hide the error so your supervisor never finds out about the mistake. That panic usually leads to an attempt to fix the problem yourself. You might fire off rapid, chaotic apology emails to the recipient, asking them to ignore the file. This actually draws more attention to the sensitive data and increases the security risk. This illustrates the mechanics of a sent email. Once a message crosses from your local outbox to an external server, it is out of your control. Trashing the message locally leaves the external copy completely intact. Deleting your copy does nothing to recall the file. Worse, deleting your local copy out of embarrassment destroys the forensic trail. It permanently blinds your internal security team to the facts, leaving them guessing about what data was actually lost. Covering your tracks takes a manageable, unintentional human error and turns it into a deliberate, severe security violation. To protect the data, methodical procedure must immediately override emotional panic. There is a precise, 4-step response protocol for this exact situation. Step 1 is to stop. Take your hands off the keyboard. Halt all communication. Do not send unsolicited follow-ups or apologies to the wrong recipient. Step 2 is to check exactly what went out. You need to verify the specific email address it was sent to, the exact attachment included, and the nature of the data inside that file. Step 3 is to report it immediately. Notify your designated response unit, whether that is your IT help desk, your direct supervisor, or your data protection officer. Your report needs to be factual and concise. State who received the email, what exact files were attached, the precise timestamp of the message, and whether the wrong recipient has already replied. Finally, step 4 is to preserve the evidence. Leave the sent message exactly where it is, and keep any automated bounce-back emails intact so the response team can analyze them. Strictly adhering to this sequence, stop, check, report, preserve, gives your organization the fastest head start and the maximum possible advantage to quickly contain a severe data breach. Once you hit send on that incident report, the immediate tension breaks. You have successfully handed the problem off to the cybersecurity experts. With the preserved evidence in hand, the response team goes to work. They can formally request deletion from the external server, assess regulatory requirements, and enact legal containment measures if necessary. In any fast-paced corporate environment, human errors will happen. High-volume work ensures that no one is perfectly immune to a slipped keystroke or a bad autocomplete suggestion. The rapid reporting systems organizations put in place are engineered exclusively to protect people and secure data. They are not designed to hunt down mistakes or punish the employees who bring them to light. An ignored misdirection silently escalates into a public crisis. A rapidly reported mistake is analyzed, contained, and reduced to a neutralized threat. When a wrong email slips through, swift transparency is the first line of defense. Report fast, respond right, protect data.